So you want to do your master's in Germany? Let's get your documents and finances sorted out.
All that paperwork can seem a bit much, but don't worry, we're going to walk you through it.
Okay, so here's the roadmap. It's basically a 4-step journey. Let's dive right in. First things first, the university application. This is where your journey really begins. So what's your style? Theory and research at a TU or hands-on learning at an FH? All right, this is your core application package. And yeah, that German-style CV is a must. Think of this as your golden ticket. The Zulassungsbescheid is absolutely crucial for your visa.
Now let's talk language. You've got options, whether you speak German or English.
Whatever your program's language is, you'll need one of these official certs to prove it. Okay, application's in. Stage 2 is all about the money, proving you can support yourself.
And this is the magic number. You need to show you have at least this much for year 1.
So how do you prove it? The most popular way is with a Sperrkonto, or blocked account.
You've got a few options for providers here, so just do a quick comparison of the fees.
All right, let's get into stage 3, the visa itself. Here's what you need for that appointment.
Now, which visa is for you? It really just depends on if you have that admission letter yet.
You might want to screenshot this. This is the master checklist for your visa appointment.
Health insurance is a big one. You need travel insurance first, then a proper German plan later.
You've made it to Germany. Awesome. But there are just a couple more things you gotta do.
First on your to-do list, the Anmeldung. You've got just 2 weeks to register your address. Your visa gets you in the door. The residence permit is what lets you actually stay.
So Anmeldung is for everyone. The permit is what non-EU citizens need for long-term residency.
So here's how your first few weeks should look. Stick to this and you'll be all set.
Okay, last step. With your permit ready, you can finally, officially enroll at your university.
And that's it. You've officially gone from applicant to a fully enrolled student in Germany.
Now that all the paperwork's sorted, what's your German adventure gonna look like?